Hello, hi. I hope all of you are doing super well. And today I am up with another wonderful video, not wonderful, another insightful video. And from today video, I am showing how to find variables for our research study. Especially this is really important for the quantitative researchers because mm, in quantitative research studies, we collect data using questionnaire. So we make this questionnaire, uh, including close-ended questionnaire, and also we make this question as per the 5-point Likert scale. So in order to develop this questionnaire, we should know the variables and also the indicators. And basically we can identify two types of variables: independent variables and also the dependent variables, and we need indicators to measure each variable. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. And the theory is that we need to find these variables from the previous research. So that's why we make literature review. So I'm going to show you how we can do that using AI. Actually, before the AI revolution, it was really difficult task. Oh my god, yeah, we had to refer a lot of research articles, and yes, a lot of, and note down, reevaluate, and remove and insert again. And yes, so much time consuming and most confusing, and yes, the most difficult part of a research. But thanks to the AI, now we can do that super easily. We can streamline the whole process. So I'm going to show you today how we can do, and the most important thing is that I'm showing how we can do that using free AI. So without talking more, let's go and check how we can do that. As we discussed earlier, today I am going to show you how to find variables for your research study. And actually this is really important for the quantitative research studies. And today our title is factors impacting on employee performance, and here as it shows, the dependent variable is employee performance, and we need to find the independent variables. It means what factors impacting on employee performance. So I'm going to show you how to do that using AI. Today I'm using SciSpace, and this is SciSpace dashboard. I think already this is very familiar to you. And what first I am doing, I copy this title and paste in this search bar. And if you want, you can type, but always try to be smart, and press enter. And it takes a few seconds, at I think around 30 seconds like. And this section is about key insight and from top 5 papers. This is we have already talked about this, but I'm not going to talk about this today. Let's go downside. So we need to go to downside here, and actually here this is the key insight table. And I want to say that this is one kind of amazing inventor of SciSpace, and I really I admire this, and this is really great key insight table, and there are a lot we can do using this table. But today I'm going to show you only how to find our variables. And in this table, as you can see, we can add columns according to our preference to find the relevant information of our research article. But here in downside, there are a number of factors we can add it to find the information from the research article, like insight, conclusion, summarize, abstract, like lot of. But I'm only adding, I want to find independent and dependent variable plus dependent variable, and also I want to find independent variable. So now our table has 3 columns: our paper, and also the dependent variable of this paper, and also the independent variable of this paper. This is super smart, and there are 10 papers. Okay, Okay, now I think 90% of our work is already done. Now I want to show you how I optimize this data to find the variables and also in order to develop the conceptual framework. So for that, I have created an Excel sheet and Excel sheet like this. This Excel sheet has 6 columns, year, to include article details, article title, IV means independent variable, DV means dependent variable, and also link of the article. So I'm going to save relevant information, data from each article to this database. What I'm doing first, let's take one article and I'm click this article. I want to get the direct access for the article. So this is the article details. So here click cite. So you can choose your reference style, copy text and go to my table and paste this information in this column. And I want to make this table full clear, so I want to include the year 2019 because in future I can filter the articles based on the year, and also I want separately the article title. So what I'm doing, I'm copying this research title and paste here, and again go to the SciSpace to our table, and here dependent variable shows employee performance is the main dependent variable, and factors affecting performance include compensation, motivation and leadership. So it says employee performance is the main dependent variable. I copy it and paste here, and also it's in this column it shows compensation, motivation, leadership, working environment, performance appraisal, job experience, training, conflict, job stress, working hours as the factors impacting on employee performance in this research. I'm pasting here like this. And also the most important thing is that I want to get the direct access to this research article whenever I want. So what I'm doing, so this is the final database that I have created using SciSpace key insight table to find the variables for our research study. Here we can filter the articles based on the year. Let's check. If I click 2017, you can find 2 articles that have done in 2017. And also here we can get the links and we can get direct access to our research article whenever we want, and actually we don't need to download and save each and every article. When we save our link, whenever we need, we can go and check. So that's how we can save our space. And here we have the independent variable and also dependent variable, and I want to say this, actually this is not your final variables, and you need to use this as your foundation and also direction to find your variables, actually this saves a lot of times, because otherwise you have to refer a lot of articles, relevant, non-relevant, to find the variables. But now you have a direction. Now these kind of working hours, training are the factors that impact on employee performance, so you can directly find the research article related to this variable, and on other hand you can use these variables as the keywords to find the relevant articles. Therefore again and again I am telling that don't use this as your final work. Use this as your foundation or the direction. And also don't forget to meet your supervisor and discuss with him or her about the information you have found. So this is how you can find variables for your research article to develop your conceptual framework using AI. Today I have used SciSpace. Today I have used SciSpace free version with a lot of limited access. But if you use SciSpace premium version, you will have unlimited access for all of their features, unlimited AI words in writer, chats with papers, literature review searches, high quality model access, unlimited paraphrase outputs, unlimited AI powered notebooks, paper summaries, and also for that key insight table you can add 50 columns in literature review and unlimited citation generation, concept searches, and also you can export your document notebook in different formats like RIS, Excel, BIB, XML, or whatever. And also you will have customized chat settings and unlimited AI detection, all for just only $12. And I think you must buy SciSpace because just for $12 your all problems related to literature review will be resolved with SciSpace. And if you love to buy SciSpace, I will put the referral link in my description box. Not only that, if you love to learn more smart research writing tips, you can visit my website www.smartstems.com, and this is how my website looks like. And here you can find a lot of AI and subject tutorials for free. Free, it means you can freely download all of these tutorials. Not only that, there are some subject tutorials about related to research, and these days I'm conducting a free course on LinkedIn, basic statistic for researchers, and already we have done 4 parts, and this is completely free on LinkedIn. You can join with this course if you follow me on LinkedIn. I will put my LinkedIn link in the description box also, and also you can get all these tutorial access completely for free if you visit my website. For today, I think it's enough. I think you have learned something new, and also stay tuned with me. In next week, I will catch you soon with another insightful video. Until that, happy researching. Bye bye.